Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making one of my favorites, which is jollof rice and beans. So first you pick your beans. Yeah, you know you're supposed to pick your beans, select your beans. After selecting the beans, you wash it and then you put it on fire. Then you wait for it to go soft a bit, and after that you add your rice to it. So now I'm just going to add water and I'm going to gently mix it so the rice will be mixed with the beans. So now I'm just going to wait for it to boil a bit because I'm going to be parboiling the rice. So I'll be using pepper and crayfish, and I'll be using oil, onions, I'll be using tomatoes, I'll be using maggi, I'll be using salt, and also to spice it up a bit I'll be using rosemary leaf, I'll be using black pepper, I'll be using jollof rice spice. So now let's start. After your beans and rice is ready for parboiling, you parboil it, then you empty your pot, put it on fire. You can use a different pot if you want, but I like using my same pot instead of turning. You put it on fire, you add your oil to it. After adding your oil to it, you add your onions to it and you allow the onions fry a bit. Please make sure you're doing this on low heat so everything don't start burning on time. Then now I'm going to add my tomatoes to it. So you're just going to add your tomatoes and spread it, mix it with the oil and onions, and then allow it to fry. You can allow it fry till it gets red, or you can allow it fry till it's okay with what you want. But I like allowing it fry till it gets red. So after frying your tomato and onions, when it's okay for you, you add your pepper and crayfish to it. You can add the pepper different from the crayfish, or you can add the both of them together. I already added my crayfish to my pepper, so I'll be adding the both of them together. So if it's burning, you can add water. You can be adding water small. Feel free to add water. I already have my hot water I'm adding, so feel free to add water, because at the end of the day you'll be pouring water in it. So after adding your water, you mix it and you allow it to fry a bit. Then this is my black pepper. I like pepper actually, and I actually like that black pepper. So after the pepper, I'll be adding my rosemary leaf. As you can see, I just added my rosemary leaf. So yep, I'm going to be adding water small. Once I see it's already getting too thick, I'll add my water. So now I'm adding my jollof rice seasoning. I got this from a friend, and this is my first time using it. So after the jollof rice seasoning, I'll be adding my salt to it. After adding my salt to it, I'm just going to taste to see if all the ingredients I added is okay. That's after adding my maggi. After salt, I'm going to add my maggi, and after adding my maggi, I'm going to taste it to see if everything is already okay, or I need to add more, maybe more salt or more black pepper or something like that. So after adding everything to it, I'm just going to mix and I'm just going to allow it fry a bit. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Your comment is very important, and don't forget to subscribe also. So now after mixing my ingredients together and it's okay, I'm just going to add my water. I'll add water that is enough, that is going to be enough for the rice and beans I'm going to be pouring inside. Please, your water shouldn't be too much because we've already parboiled the rice, so the rice will be soft somehow, so it shouldn't be too much. So after adding everything, I'm covering my pot and then I'll wait for the water to boil. After the water boils, I'm going to open and then mix my ingredients again before adding my rice and beans to it. So after adding my rice and beans to the mixed ingredients, I'm just going to gently mix the ingredients with the rice and beans so that my ingredients don't get settled down when my rice is up, making the up tasteless till you get to the down part before you start tasting what you actually cooked. So I'm going to gently mix it, bringing the ingredients down, up, and all of that. So I'm going to gently mix it because I don't want it to burn. So I'm not going to mix it like I'm turning ogi or I'm turning custard. I'm just going to gently mix everything together. So let me use this opportunity to thank my viewers. If you're a new viewer, thank you for actually opening our video. If you're an old viewer, thank you for always coming back to check out our video. We love and appreciate you, and we pray you prosper in everything you do. Thank you for always remembering us all the time. So after mixing gently, I'm just going to cover the pot and allow it cook till it's ready. So I'll keep checking it once in a while, but I'm not going to touch it again. I'm just going to allow it cook till it's ready. Please, after mixing all your ingredients, adding water, allowing to boil, you have to sometimes taste the water, the boiled water, before adding your rice, beans, and all of that, because most times the ingredients you added most times would have reduced when you added water. So you have to check if your salt is still okay and your maggi is still intact. So yeah, now my food is ready and I'm just going to serve hot, and I'm going to eat hot. So I'm inviting everybody, come and join me eat. Bring your plate, come and eat. Thank you. We've come to the end of the video. Thank you for staying with us on this video. We hope to see you on all of our videos. Have a nice day. Bye. And please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you've not. Bye.